Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple and easy way to check your insurance using your Emirates ID. If you want to make the most out of your Emirates ID and ensure your health coverage is up to date, this tutorial is perfect for you. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, you'll need to access the official UAE website. To get started, you must sign in with your UAE PASS account. Your Emirates ID is required here, so if you haven't created your UAE pass yet, you can find the link in the video description. Signing up may even give you rewards or discounts. Once you are signed in, you'll see your Emirates ID number displayed. This number is key because it allows you to access medical companies' websites that support Emirates ID integration. Essentially, your Emirates ID acts as your personal identifier to check your insurance coverage. Next, make sure the medical provider or insurance company you want to check supports Emirates ID verification. You can easily find this by searching online for medical companies that support Emirates ID or UAE insurance with Emirates ID. You'll get a list of providers, including well-known pharmacies and medical assistance services. For example, you might see options like Life Pharmacy, Binsina, VIP Medical, or MRA TID Assistance. Simply visit the website of the provider you choose and log in using your Emirates ID number. Once you do that, you'll be able to see your insurance status, benefits, and coverage details instantly. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you can check your insurance using your Emirates ID without any hassle. It's quick, secure, and ensures you stay informed about your healthcare coverage. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.